Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing that if you want to turn on your iPhone without using the power button here, or if your power button is not working and you want to turn off your phone, what you need to do is you just need your power from the plug wire, and you need to charge your phone and it will automatically turn on. So I'm just plugging the power wire and I'll hold for a second, and in most probably it will turn on phone within second or two. So this is the easiest trick you can turn on your phone without using the power button. I hope this video helps out in turning on. If your power button is not working, you see your phone is actually on and it's just wired. So that's how you can actually turn on your phone if your power button is not working. I hope this video help out in turning on your phone, and until next video, bye bye.